Samsung has officially confirmed that it's hosting a virtual product launch event this October. And while it's being marketed as a showcase of the company's innovations in multimodal AI, that's not what's turning heads. The real excitement is about what's coming next. Samsung will finally unveil its long awaited Project Moohan XR headset. Right now, those who pre register for the event will get a $100 credit that can be used toward other eligible Samsung products, which feels like a little thank you gift before the main show. Project Moohan has been teasing fans all year long. Samsung has shown glimpses of it at multiple events, most recently during the Qualcomm Snapdragon Summit last month, where the headset sat behind glass like a secret prototype waiting for its big reveal. Despite all the appearances, Samsung has stayed completely silent about the details. Not even the final name has been shared. For now, it's still officially called Project Moohan, though reports suggest the final name will be Galaxy XR. All of those mysteries will finally be cleared up on October 21st, 2025, at 10 p.m. ET during Samsung's Worlds Wide Open event. The entire event will be live streamed on Samsung's website and YouTube channel, where fans can watch the reveal unfold in real time. That's when we'll finally learn about the pricing, release date, and everything else Samsung has been keeping under wraps. The Galaxy XR is being developed in partnership with two tech giants, Qualcomm and Google. Qualcomm is supplying the powerhouse Snapdragon XR Plus Gen 2 chipset, while Google is bringing its new Android XR platform to life. Early reports claim the headset will feature dual micro OLED displays, each offering stunning 4K resolution and a jaw-dropping 29 million pixels in total. It's also expected to be packed with sensors designed for precise gesture and eye tracking, setting a new benchmark for immersive experiences. And if you're among those eager to get your hands on it, Samsung has added an extra little incentive. Those who pre-register will receive a $100 credit when pre-orders open, not as a discount on the headset itself, but as a bonus you can use toward accessories or other eligible Samsung gear. It's a small but exciting preview of what's to come as the countdown to Samsung's most futuristic reveal begins.